So this is an old Roco Loco which we've seen on this channel already. I did a review of it. It's a Series 500 from the Dutch NS Railways. The problem I had with this model was that it was missing one of its ladders on the front, so I decided to fit these metal ones which are actually Hornby off the Class 08. And yeah, I know it's definitely not worked. It's got these loops at the top which just don't look good at all. I'm not even sure they look good on the Hornby one. And these keep falling off as well, so they're not ideal. So when I bought this model secondhand, it did actually come with one of the Roco ladders, and I emailed Roco to see whether they could supply a replacement ladder, but unfortunately not. But with the help of Canon Trains on eBay Seller, we've got these, which is the original, and a couple of duplicates which have been 3D printed. So we're going to try and fit these onto this model and see how we go. I'll get rid of these metal ones first. They just pull off as well. I didn't actually fix them on or glue them or anything. So these are actually looking really good. I'm not actually sure whether I've been sent the original back or not, because I was going to order up a whole bunch of these if this works and then offer them for sale on eBay if you've got the same problem with this little locomotive. So let's see if we can get this on. Now this is a bit loose and also a bit shiny as well, this one. But they're not all shiny, I guess it's the way it's been printed. This one, for example, is matte. So yeah, it looks like they're just maybe no more than maybe a millimetre too long at the bottom here. They just don't fit in properly when they fit in at the top perfectly. So I'm going to have to email them back and let them know.
A few moments later.
Okay, this is round 2 of these little ladders. This is a new set of 3D printed ones from Canon Trains. So let's give these a try and see if they work. So here's a quick shot. The one on the left is the original and the one on the right is the 3D printed one. Well, that's fitted absolutely perfectly onto there now. It's a little bit loose, I would say. Probably it just needs a little bit of glue just to hold it in. And for that, I'm going to be using a little bit of canopy glue, and I'll just put it on the top and on the little studs at the bottom. And then I can do the one on the other side as well. And I use this stuff, I use it quite a lot actually, because it dries completely clear, which is great. Well, that's an absolute perfect fit on the front there. It looks really good, much better than it did with the old Hornby ladders, and I'm really happy with that. So Canon Trains have come up trumps again and managed to resurrect this little locomotive and give it its proper look at the front here. So you might have noticed that I have quite a few other ones printed out here as well. So I got a batch of these done because I'm putting them onto my eBay shop. So if you have one of these locomotives which has lost its ladders, you can now get a set of these, or just one if you need them. There'll be a link in the video description below to my eBay store, so check it out if you want one of these. So I'm really happy with how this locomotive has turned out. With a bit of help, I've brought this locomotive back from the edge, and I think it actually looks really good now. It looks almost like it's come out of the factory like that. So I'm pretty happy with this model. So that's it for this video, just a really short one. And just a reminder, if you want one of these ladders, check it out on my eBay store. Thanks for watching. I'll put this on the turntable so you can see all the way around. And that's it for this one. See ya.
So model train, model words, choo choo, model trains, in tiny worlds, choo choo. So model trains, tiny train, model worlds, choo choo, model trains, tiny train, in tiny worlds, choo choo.